Hi, I'm Eddie from Toolden and I'm here with Tom from Makita UK. He's going to be showing us the DTD172Z, which is the 18 volt lithium brushless impact driver.
It is. So, the 172, fantastic bit of kit. It's an 18 volt machine, brushless motor, so it's a lot more efficient. Quite a few features on this to talk about actually, so let's go through the machine. It's got your forward and reverse switch on the top with central locking in the middle there as well for a little bit of safety. It's got your twin LED lights with an afterglow ring on there too. Your fitting style is a quarter hex adapter with your quick change in the front there as well. So to simply install your accessories is really quick. The accessories we've put in this one there is Impact Premier, which I would recommend. They're fantastic accessories, so definitely check those out as well. Comparing this to the 171, if I put them side by side, you can see how the front nose has actually been slimmed down quite a lot on the 172, allowing you to get tighter into those tight spaces. If you're doing any studding or anything of that nature, you can get tighter into those small spaces and stuff like that. Okay. Looking further into this machine, we do actually have a few cool features at the bottom. So we do have 4-stage variable impact settings that are digital, and we do have some assist modes. Sounds quite cool, doesn't it? So the assist modes, what are they? We do have a wood mode, bolt mode, and we have a thick and thin metal for like your tech screws and stuff like that. Okay, so that is the DTD172 impact driver, and that can do up to 180 Newton meters of torque.
Could it be used as an alternative for an impact wrench on small projects?
Yes, so although we do have impact wrenches as well, which are dedicated for the sockets, whether it be a 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch square, whatever. This machine could do those smaller applications definitely, as I say, up to that 180 Newton meters of torque.
That's pretty cool. Well, grab yours today at Toolden.co.uk.